Do a little spin for y'all. Y'all like the skirt? Do y'all like the skirt? Let me know. Hold up.
They used to love me, but now they don't love me no more. They used to love me, but now they don't love me no more. They used to love me, love me, love me, but now they don't love me no more.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl officially Damaris, and I am back with another video. We are on our road to 5K subscribers, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe right now before the video even gets started. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys, or attempting to show you guys, how to make crop tops out of regular t-shirts. You know, so I was walking through Walmart and, you know, an idea sprung into my head. And I said attempting because I never tried this before. This is going to be my first time trying it out. But I seen these nice little t-shirts and I was like, these are cute. They're cheap. You know, they were like $7. I love a crop top. I love a nice crop top. That's just how we do. That's just how we do. Tell them one more time. That's just how we do. The summer's coming up. The spring's coming up. The nice weather's about to come up. So it's time for us to start getting our crop tops ready. I'm trying to help y'all out. I'm trying to help my fellow crop toppers out. I'm trying to take y'all from boring to, hold up, to foreign. All you need that I know of is some snippity snip scissors and some old t-shirts. I'm gonna go try these on and let you guys know how these shirts look before we get to snipping. To start it out, you just gotta figure out like where you wanna cut it. And if you wanna be safe, you always cut shorter because you can always cut more off. But if you cut too high, you can't exactly add fabric to the shirt. So you know what I'm saying? So we just about to fix our hair first. We're gonna start exactly under the 76. We're gonna start cutting it right there. So you wanna start by, I know y'all can't see my face, that's so weird. Like, do you want me to talk like this? All right, so you're gonna start by straightening the shirt out. Just make sure it's straightened out. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be, lining up with the back of the shirt. The front of the shirt is lining up with the back of the shirt. All right, I see the crease. Sometimes there's a little crease in it. You see that crease? Put it there. There we go. Make sure it's flat as possible so that you can do this correctly. Take your snippers. And just cut, slowly cut across. I'm cutting a little bit below the 76 because I just don't know if it's gonna be a straight line or not, and I wanna snip the rest off. Alright, so I finally got the bottom piece off, and as y'all can see, I did not cut a straight line. Y'all see how it's slanting? Just take your scissors and just cut the extra off, like over here. So you'll go across and cut that little bit of extra off. So that's what I'm about to do now. Now it's straight. If you want to make it easier for yourself, you might want to put like a little snippet in the middle. So for example, I want it right here. So I'm going to do a little snip. Out right there. Now I'm going to go from the middle on, from the middle on. See that? Then you just do the other side. Go straight out. But make sure while you're doing this, you got this lined up. Because if you don't have it lined up, it's gonna look very weird. Like when I say lined up, I mean the bottom and the top has to be in the right spot. And just, it's up to you how perfect you want your line to be. I see a little bit that could be fixed. And if you can't get it perfect, make it distressed. You know, like just get a razor, kind of. I mean, you can do it with your scissors too. Just grab those scissors and pull it like this a little bit. Make it a little distressed. You can cut, do all that. can put a couple tears in it, like on the side, like a couple snips, just to give it that look, like it's been through something. Just subtle things. Alright, so this is the final result of my crop top. This is how it came out. Do a little spin for y'all. Y'all like the skirt? Do y'all like the skirt? Let me know. Hold up. Y'all know when y'all think you cute, you gotta do the little bump walk. Hold up, I'm gonna do it. Hit that Tyra. Ooh. Put some stank. You gotta put some stank when you walk. And then you act like you mad. Be like, oh my god. I'm about to do shirt number 2 so y'all can see how that one comes out. I'm gonna use the old shirts measurement so I can get them the same. So this is the bottom for my other shirt. Just stick it on there like that, so it'll be right below the chill, and that's perfect. It's like this stuff is coming out perfect. Boom. So you see the little lip I just made? This little lip right here. And then you're gonna cut from this point on. From that point on. Ooh, that line was crispy. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, order something. Now I'm gonna do the same with this one. Turn it that way. So I just brought a razor in here because I'm gonna try to distress look with a razor because that's usually what people use with jeans, but it's not gonna focus. You're not gonna focus, is you? It's all good. I'm gonna just try to pull some of the fabric out of the bottom with the razor. Just shave it down a little bit. You can even put little snips of like, with the scissors, do little snips like that. Just so you can make it look, make the bottom not look like a straight line, because that might like throw some people off. They don't have to be the same size, it just has to look, you know, a little distressed. Ooh, I like that. And look how you open it up, you see how it looks? That's pretty dope. Then do it down here on the side. Like that. I'm wearing a shirt like this. I probably would want a diagonal arm. So from like the corner to like the corner, that's how I'm gonna cut it. I would be very careful cutting the arms because this is something that will stand out. Okay guys, this is the result of the shirt with the arms with the sleeves cut. It gives it more of a flappy type of look. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I like the other shirt better, but this one doesn't look bad. It just looks more of a hippie vibe. I got the tears over here, got the tears up here, but it's still dope. It's still mad dope. Mad dope. This one right here, it came out great, so I'm happy. I don't have to put fail in the title. I don't have to put fail in the description. So I'm gonna need y'all to give this video a thumbs up right now if you like it. I'm gonna need y'all to go subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna need y'all to leave me some comments. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at officially Damaris and pull up on me in a drop. Pull up on me in a drop, and I'm hopping off the top, scuffing up my new J's. Man, I just took them out the box.